I want to quickly talk to you about the top 10 payday loan apps that approve you no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you're to ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, we want to speak about the 10 best payday loan apps that approve you no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. Those three elements are very important. Why? Because a lot of apps, a lot of payday loan apps do not approve you based on your job. Sometimes they don't approve you based on your wages or your pay frequency. So we were looking for flexibility. The apps that were most flexible when it comes to approving people who had, I would say, part-time jobs, people who had seasonal jobs, people who don't have a steady job. Whatever the situation is, we were looking for apps that were as flexible as possible, and we have found them. We have found 10 awesome apps, payday loan apps that will approve you no matter what. It's very important to understand that when we talk about payday loan apps, they basically do not lend you as much as would a normal payday loan. You're looking at maximum $250, sometimes $500. In some cases, if you're really lucky and you have established a relationship with the payday loan app before, they can go all the way to $1,000. But think of it as a cash advance. Think of it as a payday advance apps. So what they basically do is they advance some money for you that you can actually work with until your next paycheck arrives. So it's not a typical payday loan. It's more a payday loan app. It's more a payday advance app. So $100 to $250, that's the average. Sometimes you can go all the way to $500 or $1,000. I want you to keep that in mind. It's also important to understand that when we speak about payday advance apps, the way they work is very simple. Technically, we're not talking here about loans, right? So in other words, you're getting paid a little early for the work you've already done. So a payday advance app pays you for some of the work you have already done this week, even if your paycheck is still several days away. So for example, the app may transfer $250 or $500 to your account. That's the money you need to borrow today to your checking account. And when your when your next paycheck arrives, let's say your next paycheck arrives within 3 days or 4 days, the app will take that $500 directly from your checking account to cover the cost. Okay, so this is basically the idea here. Let's get into the actual rankings here, folks. So the top 10 payday loan apps that approve you no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. Number 10, we have FlexWage. Our score is 7.5 over 10. The FlexWage app for employers works a little differently from Daily Pay and Pay Active or other apps out there. So when you sign up for the app as an employee, you receive a reloadable debit card for your wages, which takes the place of a paper paycheck. Okay, so the idea is pretty simple. So the FlexWage gives you immediate access to your money on payday, unlike a check you deposit at the bank. You can use the card at any retailer that accepts Visa and any Allpoint ATM or transfer the cash to a bank account for free. Okay, and let me just give you FlexWage also gives you access to a financial wellness program called Some 1-800-80. It allows you to link and view all your financial accounts in one place, make a starter budget in seconds, receive daily financial tips and challenges, read more detailed information on financial topics of interest, talk to a financial wellness coach. We love that part of FlexWage. It's pretty good to help to educate borrowers, to educate users. Fantastic. Number 9, we have here Pay Active. Our score, 8 over 10. So unlike some payday advance apps, Pay Active is not something you use on your own. Instead, your employer offers it to you as a benefit. Its core feature is what it calls Earned Wage Access, or EWA, which is the ability to collect your wages as soon as you earn them. So if you've done work for this week, you get the money this week. Pay Active allows you to collect up to 50% of any wages you've already earned, up to a maximum of $500. You can transfer the money to your bank account, use it to pay bills online, transfer it to a prepaid card, or even receive it in cash at a Walmart money center. The app charges a flat fee of $5 for a week for each bi-weekly period in which you use the service. And the cool thing here is that if you don't use it, you don't pay a fee. So that's very simple, okay? And another thing you need to understand here is that along with the EWA, PayActive offers one-on-one financial coaching and payment features for employees. You can use it to pay bills, summon an Uber, or make purchases on Amazon. It even provides discounts on prescription drugs. It's very wonderful. You can also choose to put your money on a free PayActive prepaid card, which is accepted anywhere Visa is, and also works at 65,000 in-network ATMs. Number 8, folks. Moneyline. Our score, 8/10. So another online banking app that offers a combination of early cash advances and early paycheck access is Moneyline. Moneyline has a feature called Insta Cash, and that feature lets you borrow up to $250 of your next paycheck with no interest and no credit check. The feature is available 24/7, and the money appears in your account within seconds. Yeah, literally within seconds. We tested it. It happens within seconds. And at the same time, its online raw money account gives you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. And Moneyline has other great features as well. It also offers low-fee checking, low-fee investing, free fraud protection, budgeting tools, cashback rewards, and price protection. So your purchases through Moneyline are also price protected. That's wonderful. So if you find a lower price within 90 days after making a purchase, you can get a refund of the difference. So this is pretty good, okay? And there is a limit of $250 per refund and 4 refunds per year. Number 7, folks, we have Axos Bank Direct Deposit Express. Our score, 8.5/10. And we love Axos Bank's offer. It has a fee-free essential checking account, which comes with Direct Deposit Express, a feature that gives you access to your paycheck as soon as your employer submits the payroll instruction to the bank, up to 2 days before your coworkers get theirs. All you have to do is set up direct deposit for your account, and the bank does the rest, all right? And essential checking from Axos also offers other perks, such as low fees. This is pretty cool. We love that. Online and mobile banking, and what they call no hassle switching. Okay, so low fees, check the Axos Bank has no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum monthly balance, and no overdraft or non-sufficient funds fees. It also offers unlimited reimbursement for ATM fees from other banks within the United States. And the no hassle switching is pretty interesting. If you don't currently have an essential checking account, it's easy to set one up. Axos can walk through, they will walk you through the whole process in 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. You don't even need to make an initial deposit. Another Axos account that comes with Direct Deposit Express is what they call Nationwide My Checking. And this special checking account is available only to customers of Nationwide Insurance. It's similar to Essential Checking, except that it requires an opening deposit of $100. Number 6, folks, we have Chime. Our score, 8.5/10. When it comes to the top 10 payday loan apps that approve you no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency, Chime is a great contender. And we love the fact that Chime is an online bank account that gives you super fast access to your pay even faster. If you have a Chime account with direct deposit, your wages become available to you the same day your employer deposits them into the account. So that gives you access to the money up to 2 days earlier. Again, it's all about, when we talk about emergency cash loans, emergency loans, you want to have the money as soon as possible, right? And Chime is one of the apps that really offer that. And with Chime, you have other benefits. No hidden fees. You have banking alerts, automatic savings, debit card protections, and payments to friends. So Chime's Pay Friends feature allows you to send payments to other Chime users free of charge. You can use it for splitting a restaurant check, paying your share of the rent or utility bill, or making an instant payment to the babysitter, for example. This is pretty cool. Number 5, folks, we have Wealthfront Cash Account. Our score, 9/10. Obviously, everybody knows that Wealthfront is one of the leading fintech players out there, and this account is fantastic. Next Gen banking service, Wealthfront, now offers an additional perk, a bank account that processes your paycheck faster. So when you set up direct deposit on your Wealthfront cash account, the money can enter your account up to 2 days before your official payday, depending on your payroll provider. In addition to making the money available sooner, which is wonderful already, that gives it 2 extra days of each pay period to earn interest. And with unlimited free transfers to your connected investment account, you can easily, if you really think about it, you can easily put your money to work in the market at the same time. So the Wealthfront Cash Account offers a generous interest rate of 0.10% APY with no account fees or a monthly maintenance fee. APY stands for annual percentage yield, okay? And you can make an unlimited number of transfers into and out of your account each month at no cost. You can also make payments directly from your account or withdraw cash with no fees through a nationwide network of more than 19,000 ATMs. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And we love one unique feature of Wealthfront is what they call the self-driving money vision. It gives you the option to take care of all of your financial applications automatically. Once you direct deposit your paycheck, Wealthfront can pay all your bills, replenish your emergency fund, and direct any extra money into an investment account based on your personal goals. Again, this is a great account there. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi. I'm actually still talking to you about the top 10 payday loan apps that approve you, no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. And number 4, we have Soulfire Money. Our score is 9/10. And like Chime and Access, Soulfire Money also gives you access to your pay up to 2 days, 48 hours earlier with direct deposit. However, one thing I need to stress here is that Soulfire Money is not a bank account. Instead, it's what they call a cash management account, a CMA. So this is a CMA. So this is an account that is offered by a brokerage. Okay, it essentially offers the same benefits as a bank, including FDIC insurance, bill payments, checks, and person-to-person transfers. So when I speak about FDIC insurance, I'm speaking about your money being protected up to $250,000. And there are a lot of perks that come with the Soulfire Money app. No account fees, free overdraft coverage, interest, cashback rewards, vaults, roundups, mobile apps, monthly giveaway, and cash bonus. Number 3, we have Empower. Empower is a great player when it comes to payday loan apps that approve you no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. Our score, 9.5/10. And the cool thing here is that with the Empower app, you basically can get an interest-free advance of up to $250 at any time during your pay cycle. There are even better here. There are no late fees and no credit checks. You can have the money sent instantly to your external bank account for a $3 fee or to your Empower checking account for free. It's better to have an Empower checking account. It's way better. And however, one thing we have found in our research is that Empower is more than just a payroll advance app. It is actually a complete online interest checking account that includes Empower perks, interest checking, early paycheck deposit, automatic savings, budgeting, and savings tips. So when you think about Empower, think about more of an all-in solution, not just a payday advance app. They offer actually a wider constellation of services way beyond the Payday Advance app feature. And Empower is free for the first 14 days for first-time customers. After that, they charge you a fee of $8 per month. So to qualify for, say, up to $250 cash advance, you must make regular direct deposit to your Empower checking account. You must also meet certain requirements for account history and activity. Number 2, folks, we have GoBank. Our score, 9.5/2. And we love GoBank because this is actually a subsidiary of Green Dot, another solid bank. And the app offers all the perks you would expect from an online bank account, even though it is a mobile bank account that provides early paycheck access, okay? And it has great perks. For example, you have an interest rate of 1% APY. You have no monthly fees. As long as you use direct deposit, you're fine. Without direct deposit, the fee is $5 per month, okay? You have fraud alerts if there is suspicious activity on your account. You have the ability to lock and unlock your account in the app. This is a great security feature, but also a great financial stability feature, what we call financial stability feature. You have online bill payments. You have overdraft protection of up to $200 with direct deposit. You have access to a network of free ATMs that you can find through the app, all right? And there is a fee, though. There is a fee of $3 for out-of-network ATM withdrawals. So you just need to know that. And you have a secure credit card to help you build credit if that's what you need. You have a free monthly credit score from Equifax, which is could be cool also. And you can actually make cash deposits at a participating retail store. Although the store may charge a fee, you have the ability to cash checks via the app for a fee of 1% to 5%, minimum $5, and up to 7% cash back on in-app purchases of electronic gift cards. Number one, folks, when it comes to the best payday loan app that approves you, no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency, is Brigade. Our score, 10 over 10. And Brigade is pretty good. And this is perhaps the most flexible payday advance app out there. And they actually deliver up to $250 that you have already earned to your bank account by the next business day without subjecting you to a credit check. And that limit will go up the longer you stay with them and the higher your paycheck. And what happens is that when your next paycheck arrives, Brigade automatically pulls the money out of your bank account. However, you can opt to pay back the loan early. You can also extend the due date once on your first loan with no late fee or penalty. As you continue to use the app, you can earn additional extension credits that allow you to delay payments up to 3 times in a row. So this is basically, they want to make sure that you are actually playing ball. As long as you're playing ball and you're complying with the sites, with Brigade's rules, and you're able to pay back the loan in an orderly and fast manner, your limit goes up. Brigade doesn't offer cash advances to just anyone. You must meet the app's requirements for income. So you must show a certain monthly income. Also, when it comes to banking, you need to have a checking account that's at least 60 days old with a balance greater than $0. In other words, it has to be a positive amount. And you need to have a reasonable Brigade score. What they have an internal score at the company, and you must have at least 70 to receive cash advances. Brigade score of 70. Thank you so much, folks, for your attention. I really approve it. I really appreciate it. Well, I approve it too. I approve the attention. I was talking to you about the top 10 payday loan apps that approve you, no matter your job, wages, or pay frequency. Number one, let's just do a quick recap here. Number one, Brigade, 10 over 10. Number two, GoBank, 9.5 over 10. Number three, Empower, 9.5 over 10. Number four, Soulfire Money, 9 over 10. Number five, Wealthfront Cash Account, 9 over 10. Number six, Chime, 8.5 over 10. Number seven, Access Bank Direct Deposit Express, 8.5 over 10. Number eight, Moneyline, 8 over 10. Number nine, Pay Active, 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, Flex Wage, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.